How to install Fabric mods in Minecraft. So first, just open up your browser. Now, once you are on your browser, just search for the mods that you want. But for me, I'm using the CurseForge website to find mods. So just simply type in curseforge.com/Minecraft on a URL. So now once you're on this page, you simply need to click on categories and just set it to mods right here. And what I like to do is just simply scroll down, and here are the mod loaders. I set it to Fabric, so it will only show me mods that uses Fabric. So let's say I want this mod, just enough items. So just click on it and just find the files tab right here. Now once you're there, just set this all mod loaders to Fabric, and keep in mind the game version of your Fabric that you've downloaded. So I have the Fabric 1.21.1 right here. So basically, I need the mod that is 1.21.1 also. So this one is the latest one. So I'm just going to simply click on that. Then it will bring it right here. Then what you will need to do is just simply click on download. Now just wait for it to load. Then once it's done, you simply need to put it on your downloads and wait for it to download. And now I've just moved the downloaded file to my desktop for easier access. Now what you want to do is just simply open up your Minecraft launcher, go to installations. So I have a video on how to install Fabric. If you don't have Fabric yet, you could check that out. But of course, this will only show how to install mods for Fabric. And to do that, you simply need to click on the folder. And once that you're there, just find the mods folder, which is right here. Double click on it to open it. Now what you want to do is just simply drag the mod that we downloaded earlier. So I've put it on my desktop so that I could just drag it to the folder right here. Once it's on that folder, now you could just exit out, go back to play, set the player to Fabric Loader, then just simply click on play and wait for it to load. And now, as you can see, it's downloaded. And what you can do is just simply open up a world. So I'm just gonna create one for this particular mod. So I'm just gonna name it Fabric, just like so. I set it to creative. Then just simply click on create world and just wait for it to open. And as you can see, I'm now loaded to the world. And when I click on my inventory, as you can see, the mod has been applied. So this is the just enough items mod. So as you can see right here, JEI config. So as you can see, just like that. And that's how I basically install Fabric mods in Minecraft.